Hi, my name is M-Kulima, Commander-in-Chief at Addrone Digital. Meet Juma, a smallholder farmer in rural Tanzania. He works tirelessly while the climate is unforgiving. Flood, drought, pests affect his crops due to rising temperatures. When he goes to harvest, middlemen take most of his earnings, and much of what remains rots due to poor storage and inefficient logistics. And when he tries to secure financing, banks turn him away because he lacks collateral. Juma is not alone. There are 20 million smallholder farmers in Tanzania who produce 75% of the country's food, yet they still remain vulnerable to climate change, poverty, and food insecurity. Juma's struggles doesn't have to define his future. Through our platform, he gets direct access to buyers, ensuring fair pricing and reducing post-harvest losses. Hyperlocal weather forecasts allow him to plan for flood and droughts, and advanced scanning tools help him detect pests, analyze soil, and produce ripeness, minimizing waste and boosting yield. And for the first time, Juma can now secure financing without the need of collateral, and he can now invest in drought-resistant seeds and climate-smart fertilizers. Agriculture in Africa is a $280 billion industry, projected to hit $1 trillion by the year 2030. However, climate change proves otherwise. In Tanzania, we have 20 million smallholder farmers. Our serviceable obtainable market is 780,000 households, and our platform ensures affordability. We are positioned as a B2B and a B2C platform. It means that we charge micro fees to ensure low-cost transactions, and we charge a $5 subscription fee on the model, which is just a 4.2% of Juma's income. And now, he can reduce wastage, protect his crops, and ensure yield. Our traction has been positive. The last year, we secured non-compete contracts with Vodacom and Yara, allowing us to reach out to 2.9 million farmers on their database. Additionally, we have Kesho AI, who come in and assist us with the weather analytics, and we have successfully done pilot programs for drone operations in Kenya, Tanzania, and Zambia. Our advantage is we take a holistic approach towards climate-smart agriculture. We have an end-to-end digital platform that integrates financing, trade, and intelligence. And through our partnerships, we use their consumer base due to their brand loyalty and make sure that we can reach out to the right audience. Now, we have a dynamic team, myself as a CEO, and alongside me, I have a CTO who has got 11 years of experience in digital transformation and a developing team that ensures seamless execution. Our financial projections are as follows. The first year, we wish to onboard 50,000 farmers. Second year, 250,000 farmers. Third year, we will turn over $3 million in annual revenue. Fourth year, we shall be doing regional expansion. And 5, we'll be seeing market dominance. Our ask today is for $700,000 USD for equity investment stake, and we will use this money when it comes to scaling operations, expanding partnerships, growth adoption, and enhancing our platform. This will assist 300,000 farmers within a particular period. The question is no longer, why is Juma the poorest in the value chain? The question is, will you join us to ensure that climate change doesn't determine his future? Thank you.